And in this particular video, I will be doing a review of my indicator and the results that I have been having with it so far. So first of all, the name of my indicator is Marketkeys Trend Finder. Okay, and it is an indicator that I have been using for the past couple of months to identify trends in the Forex market and to take better trades. And it's been very good so far. Recently, I grew my small account about 70%, and I was able to make a withdrawal. Um, Let me just show you guys quickly what the account looks like for the past, let's see, last month. All right, so you guys see I was able to deposit $100 and I did a withdrawal of $70 because I was able to make $170. So I almost doubled this account in particular. Um, you can see the trades that I've taken. There's some small losses, there's some big wins, a lot of wins, some small losses as well. But mostly it's been a lot of big wins on this particular account. All right, so yeah, I was able to grow this account to from $100 to about $170, and that's when I did my $70 withdrawal back to my personal wallet. Right now, I am in a few positions. I am in a EuroCAD position because my indicator gave me some alerts on the EuroCAD 4-hour chart, and I took some buys, and I'm currently waiting to see if the trend is going to continue all the way up to 1.376, and I'm going to try and hold it to see if it can continue up here. But ideally, I want to exit all the trades at this level because this is a key zone, and usually markets tend to reverse at key zones. So I'm trying to avoid all that. So I think I'm going to take my profits up here. Now, I entered the market from about here, but the spreads on the broker I'm using is kind of very high right now. So if you can see, the spreads on this particular broker is ridiculous. 274. That's the spreads that I'm doing. So yeah, you can take a look and see. So I do have all the, yeah, I took all the trades here and all the way up, but because of the bad spreads, I didn't get very good positions. But can't complain because the account is still profitable. um I'm still happy about the results so far from this indicator, and I'm looking forward to making some more money with it this week. All right, guys, so I know some of you guys have been asking me a lot about this indicator. If you do want access to it, just click the link in the description of this video. The link is to my Telegram channel where I will be posting updates about my indicators, my robots, and other upcoming videos. All right, so see you guys next time. Take care.